Hi, today I'm for the new Huawei Nova 11i and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should get the Icon Changer app from the app gallery. That's why in the search we'll enter the Icon Changer, and now we should get this first application. So tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After the installing, just tap to open the app. And you'll see here all of the available applications on your device. So let's just change one from the available applications icon here. So here you could rename the app if you just tap to this edit icon. We got here a library with different folders with the applications icons. So also you could use photo from your device gallery or to take a picture on camera app. For example, this is the clock one. I'll use one from this default icons. So just after that, tap on the right upper corner to OK. Now we should just skip the ads, tap to add clock shortcut created, so we could change next icon or go to desktop. So let's check our new clock icon. So this is the default one. This is the default one and this is the new one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.